So it is the Saturday 27th of June and I am with my sister and brother and we're gonna go to the city to have a nice lunch.
Where are we eating? We are eating at Raku Dining. So yeah, I told hubby to take me out because I won't be able to eat for a while and I feel like eating some good food. Yes. And yeah, hey Baba. So we're currently now in Raku Restaurant. It's one of like a popular place to eat and dine in Canberra. And there's Bubby. Baba.
Hey.
Yeah, we ordered a lot of like different dishes to try. And it's also our 1 year anniversary for Two Sisters Eat.
Don't forget to follow us if you haven't already.
Hasn't really been updated, but yeah, apparently we've been 1 year. So we're
1 year
celebrating
since.
by eating.
Woohoo!
The behind the scenes of Alexis taking photos. So this is the, what was this again?
Truffle salmon.
The truffle salmon maki roll that Alexis ordered. I can't eat that, but yeah, it looks good. And Mark has to wait for every picture. Reality. This is what happens. All for the gram.
Let me take some.
And this one is the Japanese salad. Wafu salad.
Wafu.
Wafu.
So it has some avocados in it and there's a little bit of
Sesame dressing.
sesame dressing and it looks like it's some shallots as well.
Isn't it called avocado?
Avocado, fresh avocado.
Mark was watching your vlog. He said you're annoying. And then this one is the popcorn shrimp, which I'm excited to have because yeah. And I think it was kimchi mayo. I can't remember.
Kimchi mayonnaise.
Yeah, kimchi mayonnaise and popcorn shrimp tempura. Let's try it. And then here we have the Wagyu beef gyoza. This is a popular one too on their menu. But yeah, I'm excited to eat that. I really do love dumplings too lately. I've noticed.
What?
Dumplings. It's been one of like my cravings lately. We went to Fishwick Markets like twice just for dumplings. Hopefully this one's good. And then out comes the vegetable tempura. So that is the vegetable tempura with dashi sauce. Looks good, pretty. We have here chicken skewers. So it's kind of like chicken yakitori, I think it is. And that one is grilled mushrooms. Yum. Just waiting for my rice. I want rice. And the last thing that we ordered is the New Zealand salmon here with teriyaki glaze. And Alexa said it was king salmon on a bed of roses. So yeah. How you like the food so far, Bob? Good? I didn't expect that the rice would be a lot. I ordered like 3 rice for everyone. I'm kind of full already. But yeah, it's been good so far. For dessert, I got the Sakura Pavlova because I've really been into Pavlova lately. I've been eating this a lot actually. And Alexis got the...
our panna cotta. My cheek is as big as the bowl.
Currently just walking around the outlet center. And Alexis got some Hague chocolate. But yeah, Mark went to get a haircut. Not quite sure where he is though. So I received a package today and this is from Nikki and Tay Essen. Thanks Nikki for sending this. She did tell me about it. It came all the way from America actually. But yeah, she did tell me about this. She's pregnant as well. And we were talking about the Freedom Arm. There we go. So it's a postpartum recovery essentials kit. And it has disposable underwear, instant ice maxi pads, perennial cooling pad liners, perennial healing foam, and it has a toilet top storage caddy. So yeah, she got me this. It's a little postpartum kit for when you deliver, and yeah, it's pretty exciting. Thanks, Nikki, for this. So I'm currently in the lounge room, and I've got a massive headache. Part of my head hurts. Just chilling. My belly is out. My belly is always out. Yeah, just chilling with Avery. Really, she's got like playing up like my Braxton Hicks and stuff like that. Yeah, she's contracting hard over here. So yeah, just playing around with her, and then just sound tripping. Listening to 28 degrees. Is it 28 degrees? No, that's a credit card. 98 degrees, I do cherish you. Mark's currently building his PC and recording it in the kitchen area. We do not have any plans on cooking tonight. We are very full from lunch. So we'll probably just snack as we go today. And yeah, I might actually wash up my face, take off all this makeup, go in my PJs, and sit back here on the couch and probably watch some Netflix. I've been watching a lot of TV shows lately. I'm running out of things to watch. But yeah, we're currently watching The Sinner at the moment. That's alright. I'm not really that much of a fan of that one. But yeah, that's what we're currently watching. And we didn't do any of like the cleaning or anything that we're supposed to today. That will be tomorrow's task. Hello. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Building my PC.
You're building your PC, and you're filming it as well?
Yeah. Is this the record?
Yes, I think so. So Mark is currently having fun building his PC. Yeah. How many parts in a PC?
7.
7.
I think.
But yeah,
I hope.
he hopes.
I hope there's 7 because it's gonna be a bit awkward.
Yeah, so he's building his PC at the moment. That's his task for today. And I wonder what Alexis is doing. Our house is a mess. But just things that I got earlier on. I showed you guys that. And I got some more things I got something from Mimco. It's another one of those things that goes into my little push present. Using everything as an excuse as a push present. But yeah, here's Alexis. Where is she?
Just watching my drama.
Watching a drama. What drama is that? This is what she does all the time. Just watches
You guys
Korean
came
drama.
on my room semi-clean.
Semi-clean. I got a headache.
Avery, you're peeking out again.
On my belly.
Yes.
She's always out. That guy's not even cute.
Yeah, I don't think he's cute either. But the girl's pretty. Ganda ko. Hey guys!
Some I'm actually pretty today.
Me too.
I did pretty well with my makeup.
Same.
I used a drugstore foundation that's actually set pretty well on my face today, which is the Revlon Superstay, I think.
I've got the James Charles palette on my eyes. Excuse the eyeliner. I don't do the eyeliner usually, but when I come home, I practice eyeliner before I wash it off because I'm trying to practice how to eyeliner. So yeah, just wearing the James Charles palette.
We're going to probably end this little vlog here. That is it for today. We're doing daily vlogging.
Yes.
Daily vlogging. Tomorrow we're going to clean the house, right?
No. Yes. I like the view. You do? Yes. You're my best view. Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.